How to get command blocks in Minecraft. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Minecraft tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily get command blocks while playing Minecraft. So command blocks are an in-game block that can be used to execute commands in Minecraft. To get started with creating command blocks in Minecraft, the first thing we need to do is simply select single player. This will take us to select world, where I'm going to be creating a new world because we need to make sure that we have certain settings configured in order to get a command block. So go ahead and select create new world. Once in Create New World, in order to get a command block, we need to make sure that we have Allow Cheats set to On. From there, you can select Create New World. Once your world is created and the game menu pops up, if you're going to be playing with friends, you want to make sure you go to Open to Land and ensure that Allow Cheats is also on here. Once we're in our new world and we have cheats enabled, we can easily get our command block by first hitting slash on our keyboard to open the chat, then type give, space, type in the player's name that you want to give the command block to, so I'll do Gauging Gadgets. After that, we just need to do space, then just type what we want to give, which is a command block. So type command block, and you'll see it come up. Go ahead and hit tab on your keyboard, and then it will finish it out for you. And now we can just simply hit enter on our keyboard. And as you can see, I've been given a command block. From here, I can place it by right-clicking. Then I can right-click it again to go into set console command for the block. And this is how you would configure that command block. All right, so that's how you get command blocks on Minecraft. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Minecraft tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.